One thing people often ask me is whether or not they can use bear spray or pepper spray or something like that to defend themselves in Canada. And the answer is yes and no, in the sense that it is unlawful to possess those items. I mean, you can buy bear spray if you're buying it for protection from a bear, but you're going to have a lot of explaining to do if you're walking down the street in a place where bears are not expected to be seen, like downtown Vancouver, and you've got bear spray on you. So you can have bear spray, but you can only use it for bear or wildlife protection. But if you were carrying it for a legitimate purpose like bear or wildlife protection, and somebody attacked you and you used the bear spray to defend yourself, that would not be illegal, because you are entitled to use reasonable force in self-defense in Canada, and that includes using your bear spray if somebody's attacking you, even if that person is not a bear. Similarly, even if you have a weapon that you're not technically allowed to have, for example, pepper spray, which is unlawful, and you use that to defend yourself, you likely wouldn't be charged. I mean, technically you could be charged, but you probably wouldn't be. And that's because in Canada, when we determine, or when police and crown prosecutors determine whether or not to lay a charge, they don't just look at whether or not somebody broke the law. They also look at whether or not it's in the public interest to pursue charges. And generally speaking, it's not in the public interest to pursue charges against people for possession of a prohibited weapon in circumstances where they were attacked and that weapon actually led to them being able to successfully defend themselves. So, can you possess it? No. If you did and you used it legitimately in self-defense, would you get in trouble? Probably not. Maybe for possession of it, but in all likelihood, those charges would not go anywhere.